Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some seafood potato greens. This is the potato greens right here that I've cut, and I'm going to attach one of my videos on the top to show you how I cut my potato greens. I have some shrimp right here. I've already deveined it. I have some fresh fish that's here. I'm going to be frying. I have some smoked fish that I smoked in my oven. I have some blue crab that I steamed, and I'm going to be cooking it on my stove. I have some boni dust right here. That is, for people who don't know what boni is, it's like a fish that they dry and they blend it. I have some habanero pepper. I have some hot beat up pepper. Here I have some Liberian country spice, and here I have some chicken Knorr seasoning. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of salt. So I'm going to put that in my crab and let the crab start to boil on the stove. The crab has come to a boil. I'm going to put all the seasoning and the pepper in there. And let it cook. And then we're going to move on to frying the fresh fish and the shrimp. I put some vegetable oil in my pot, and we're going to wait for it to get hot, and I'm going to start frying my fish. Put some onion in my oil. Just for taste. And start putting in my fish. And I have seasoned my fish with some salt and black pepper. I'm going to let it fry on one side, and we're going to flip it. While my fish is frying, let's start cutting the onions that I'm going to use to put in my greens. This is how I'm slicing it. So let me cut up all my onions, and we'll go onto the stove where the fish is frying. Let's start turning the fish over. So let's fry on the other side, and then we'll take it out and just fry the shrimp a little bit. So I'm going to take the fish out. Now that I've taken out the fish, I'm just going to fry the shrimp. Just about 2 minutes, and I'm taking it out. And after this, we're going to move on to the onions and the greens. So now I have a non-stick frying pan, a bigger one, and I put some of the oil that I used to fry my fish. In there, I'm going to put my onions, and it was yellow onion. I'm going to put some of my blended crawfish in there. Some salt. And a little bit of chicken Knorr seasoning. You can season it the way you want to do it. Give that a stir. And then it starts to fry. Been frying about 4 minutes, and I'm going to put my potato greens in there. And I'm going to let that fry well. So I've been frying it about 15 minutes. It was on medium high. And now I'm going to put in the crab. And the pepper. I'm going to pour the water that I boiled the crab in my greens. And let it cook down a little bit. And then I'm going to add the other ingredients to it. My food is ready. And I'm going to cut my stove off and plate my food. And my seafood potato greens is all ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Bye-bye.